Hello everyone and welcome to my updated tutorial on how to choose your refresh rate on Xbox One S, Series S and X. First you want to go over to your settings and then under General, TV and Display options. And then you can see here I have my refresh rate available. I can choose 120 Hz or 60 Hz. And yours may not pop up here, and if it does not, what you want to do is go over to video fidelity and overscan on the right, and this is set to auto. I normally have this on HDMI. Okay, I guess it doesn't want to switch, whatever. But this color depth here, this is what makes it so that you cannot choose your refresh rate. You have to set this to 24 bits. 30 bits and 36 bits won't work. The reason for this is because your monitor has to display more colors per pixels or per set of pixels, which makes it more detailed in color, more vibrant, and in turn that makes it so that your monitor cannot reach a certain refresh rate. And once you set this to 24 bits, this should pop up. My monitor does it either way because it's an HDR monitor. You can see this, it has Calibrate HDR. But for you, it may not show this because your monitor does not support HDR. And if it doesn't, just go here, change this to 24 bits. And color space doesn't matter, it's just my personal preference. Display, I believe it's personal preference on whatever you use. I normally have it on HDMI, but it does not want to switch. Oh, never mind. Yeah, when you switch it to HDMI, it'll look like this, very blurry. By the way, if you switch this to HDMI, for me personally, it just makes it smoother. But when it does look like this, just hit back or B and then select your preferred resolution again, and then it will return to normal while also keeping the HDMI setting, as you can see. And then color space, PC, RGB. I just like how it looks. But yeah, for the refresh rate, as I said, if you want to be able to choose it and it's not popping up here, go to video fidelity and overscan. Color depth, change it from 36 or 30 to 24 bits per pixel or 8-bit, and then go back and your refresh rate should be available here. And choose the highest available option. Also, another question that I've been getting is if Xboxes can reach 75 Hz, and no, they cannot. It has to be a 60 Hz or 120 Hz. It cannot choose 75 or 144 or 165. You can only choose 60 and 120. And then resolutions, another thing is if you have it set to 1440p like I do, you cannot set it to 120 Hz because it will flip back to 1080p. I have a 1440 144 Hz monitor. It's the Samsung Odyssey G5, and that's why I have 1440p available. But yep, this is about it. Just color depth, go back, and then refresh rate, and then you will be able to choose it. Well, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and have a good day or night.